Morning children, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, I Tapas sir, your moral science teacher. Today I am going to teach class 6 students moral science. Lesson number 4. Lesson is I understand. Lesson is I understand. Lesson number 4, which is in your half yearly exam course. So please watch this video attentively at home. Story begins. Khushi was very excited. It was her birthday and her father had promised to buy a puppy for her. She woke up early in the morning and got dressed. Her father smiled at Khushi's excitement and hoped she would get a puppy she liked. The story begins with a girl named Khushi. She was very happy that day or that day was her birthday, and she was happy because her father promised her to buy a puppy and give her as a gift on her birthday. As they reached the canal is a place where dogs live. They could hear sound of barking and whining. The canal owner came to talk to Khushi's father. Show me your best puppies. It's a special gift for my daughter on her birthday, Khushi's father said. When they went to the owner of the canal, they told that we have come here. I want to give a special gift to my daughter on her birthday. So she likes to have a puppy in her birthday. So please show me the best puppy in your kennel. Sir, I will call them out and you can see for yourself. The owner whistled and shouted, "Come my champions, little girl is waiting to see you." Khushi looked in delight. 5 white little puppies appeared from a kennel. They looked like ball of rolling snow. Khushi was a puppy sitting alone by a kennel. A little boy was petting it gently. Can you show me that puppy? Khushi asked. And who is that boy with the puppy? Oh, that's my son. He's always playing with the puppy. Don't you like any of these? They are so cute, the kennel owner said. I want to take a look at that one too. Please call him. Khushi begged. Her father also requested the owner to get the puppy. Now the owner of the kennel told, Sir, I am going to call all the puppies by their name. They will come in front of you and you please select which you want to take. And he shouted and whistled. The owner shouted and whistled. All the puppies, 5 little puppies looking like white snow, came running towards them. One of the puppy was sitting near to that kennel and a boy was petting that puppy to move forward. That time Khushi asked uncle who that boy is and bring that puppy what the boy is having with him. But the owner of the kennel told, he is my son, he usually play with these puppies, and please see these puppies which came in front of you, let it be there, that puppy, don't disturb or don't talk about that puppy. Please, whatever 5 little puppies came in front of you, please have a look at them. Surely you will choose from them. But Khushi told to the owner that I want to see that puppy also. Please call that boy and let him come with that puppy. Khushi's father also requested the kennel owner to tell the boy to bring that puppy. He is blind in one eye, dear. No point looking at him, the kennel owner said. As if he had heard Khushi, the puppy looked towards her. Now the kennel owner told Khushi that puppy is blind from one eye, so no need of looking towards that puppy. It is a puppy uh, with one eye blind. So please look at these puppies which are in front of you, and no need of looking towards that. The little boy lifted the puppy up and brought him over. His name is Beer, he said, smiling at Khushi's shyly. I named it Beer because he is so brave. Now that boy came with that puppy and told to Khushi that his name is Beer. I have given this puppy name Beer because this puppy is very brave. I want Beer, please, Khushi said. Now, after watching that blind puppy, Khushi told that I want that puppy, that blind puppy. The little boy looked at Khushi and said, Beer wants to be friend too. Now that boy told to Khushi that the Khushi, this puppy Beer wants to make friendship with you. Look how he is wagging his tail. He knows you will make him happy. Khushi. So now the boy told to Khushi that the puppy is wagging its tail when he saw you. The boy told to Khushi that puppy knows that you will surely make him happy because he is not that much happy like other puppies because he is blind from one eye. The kennel owner and Khushi's father tried to tell her that the puppy was useless because he could not see properly. Now, Khushi's father and the owner of the kennel also told Khushi that please don't look for that puppy because it is useless puppy. It is a blind puppy. What is the use of taking that blind puppy? Better you look for these puppy which are white in color and playing in front of you. Daddy, I can help him see, Khushi said. I also can't run like other children, but you still love me, don't you? I want a friend who will understand me. Now Khushi got very emotionally attached with that puppy. He told to her daddy, the daddy, I will make the puppy to see. As you know, I cannot walk properly because I am having defective legs. Then also father or daddy, you loves me, so I will also love this puppy even though the puppy is blind. The kennel owner looked down and noticed that Khushi had steel braces on both the side of her legs. They were attached to special shoe. Khushi's father had tears in his eyes, and so did the kennel owner. When Khushi came front, the kennel owner saw that Khushi legs were attached with steel brace, and their steel brace were attached to the special shoes which people wear who have defective legs, and Khushi leg were defective, she could not walk properly, so she used these legs, so she used the steel brace with special shoes to walk. By seeing this, Khushi's father also started to cry, or tears came in his ears, and the kennel owners also started to cry by seeing the situation of Khushi. Tell me the price and I will buy Beer, Khushi's father said, weeping his tears. Now Khushi's father told to the owner of the kennel that please tell me the price of this blind puppy. I am going to pay you and I will take this one, by weeping the eyes because he was crying. No sir, take it as a birthday gift for your daughter. It looks like Beer has been waiting for someone like Khushi to come along. And my son knew it right away. Today Khushi and my son have taught me a lesson in kindness and made me a better person. But the kennel owner told to Khushi's father that, sir, I am giving this puppy to Khushi as a birthday gift. No need of paying any money for this puppy. My son also kept this puppy for so many days, because God made a plan from before that Khushi will Khushi, that puppy will go to a person like Khushi, and it will make both of them happy. Khushi will happy by getting the puppy, and puppy will be happy by getting a friend like Khushi. And I am very happy that person is saying that Khushi and my son has taught me the lesson of kindness, which I came to know today, that every person who are around us are important, whether they are physically good or physically challenged. So we should accept them, because it is God wish to make them like that, and we cannot go against God wish, and we should always love them, love those people, and have kind feeling towards them. Then only we can enjoy the life, we can see the beautiful or beauty of this life, which was which I had not experienced in my past. The canon owner told to the Khushi's father. This lesson is over, children. You can see how beautifully this story has been explained. How we people think anybody who is physically challenged, that he is not equal with us, he is inferior. But we forget that even though they are physically challenged, they are blind or they are lame or they are deaf, then also God Almighty has given something special quality in them which is not within us. So we should love everyone who comes in front of us, whether he is physically okay or physically challenged. It doesn't matter. Thank you, children, for watching this video, and my request to you, please, if you have any doubt regarding the story, ask me. I am there to help you. Bye bye till we meet again with another lesson. Have a good day.